everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing amazing today. My name is TracEy and you are watching me here at TracEy Monster on YouTube. You can also find me at TracEy Monster Savings on Etsy as well as on Instagram, where you'll find a ton of really super fun money savings challenges to help those of you who are looking to add to your sinking funds, or for those of you who are looking to pay off some debt, or for those of you who are looking to save money for that next big purchase that you have coming up in your life. But before I get started in today's video, I always like to start my videos off by saying thank you to each one of you for taking the time to click on that play button and giving me the opportunity to share these types of videos with you. So thank you so much for being here today, and thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube community. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into today's video because I have my cash in hand and I am ready to stuff our cash envelopes from this week's paycheck. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So if you recall from my video earlier in the week, on Monday, I had rolled 3 times using 1 die. And with those 3 rolls, I landed on a small image where I have already assigned small images inside of the box as $15. Then I landed on the second roll on $5. And then on my third roll, I had landed on a larger image, and with the larger images, I have already pre-assigned those to be $20. So those are my 3 rolls. I have that information right back here on my tracker. So for this week, I needed to save $40. So I have 20 and I have 40. Here's my cash envelope. So in all, inside of my cash envelope so far this month, I have a total of $66. At the very end of this month, what I will do is we'll take a look at the tracker together, and then we will verify that what I have on my tracker is how much I have in my cash envelope to make sure that we are on track and that we haven't messed up on any numbers, and that I have in my envelope what I am saying, basically what the game is telling me that I needed to save. So make sure that they coincide with each other. So far, $66, $40 I saved this week. We now have a total of $66 for the summer savings board game. All right, moving on to the next one here. We have the 52-week savings challenge where I'm trying to save $1,378 in a year. And so since we are on week 32 for the year, I needed to save $32. So we have 20, 30, 31, and 32. I have my cash envelope binder here. So let me go ahead and get to week 32 in the binder. And I'm gonna get my cash right here, and here is my little pocket that I need to put it into. So you'll see here, week 32, I am depositing $32 into my pocket. I now have a balance of $528 so far inside of my cash envelope binder using this challenge. So let me go ahead and put the binder to the side, and let me go ahead and color in my image. So I hope that y'all had a great week this week. How are your challenges coming along? Are they getting harder? Are they doing okay? This was one of my higher weeks this week with savings. So last week was a very low week. This week was a higher end. So it kind of balanced out, which was nice. But yeah, this week it's been really hot here in California. Today is 102 degrees. So I have actually been staying inside as much as I can. I go out to the community garden, do a little bit of watering, just enough to water, like 5 minutes per bed. And then I'm like in and out. That's all I do. I don't water. I don't do any extra work because it's just too hot out there to do anything extra. So it's just watering and leave as soon as possible. So anyways, okay, so $32 saved for the 52-week savings challenge. The next challenge that I have here is for roll the dice, and I had rolled a 4 and I had rolled a 1. So I needed to save $5. So let me go ahead and color in this image right here, or these 2 images, I should say. So I have a total of $5, and there we go, $5. And this is my cash envelope that I use. This cash envelope is from the Budget Mom. She had these envelopes for free in her newsletter in March, and so I really liked this one, and so this is the one I will be using for the rest of the year. So anyways, let's see. So that was $5 for Roll the Dice. The next savings challenge that I have here is Bunco Against Time, and on this one, I needed to save $18 for Game 3, Round 3. So I have 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And so here is my cash envelope here. So let me go ahead and put that inside there. All right, and so since we are done with that, let me go ahead and mark that Game 3 is complete. And then mark the back that we were on the week of August 8th. The 8th was on Monday. So there we go. So Bunco Against Time, we got $18 this week saved. So yay! The next savings challenge that I have here is Dominoes, and I am using this bi-weekly savings challenge as a weekly challenge because I want to go basically an entire year worth of savings. And so I will be done with this challenge. Although I started it halfway through the year, I will be done with this challenge before the end of the year gets here. So I'm pretty excited about that. So with that being said, let me go ahead and pick a color. What color do I want to use? I think I'm going to use this blue one here. All right, so I needed to save $26 this week. So there is 20, 25, and 26. And we have our cash envelope here. So let me go ahead and put that inside, and let me go ahead and color in my images. So one domino had red 8 dots, the second, and then on the other side it was a 0, there were no dots. And then on the second domino, I had picked one that had 9s on both sides. So that's how we came up with $26 for this challenge. All right, so let's go ahead and put this one to the side. All right, the next savings challenge that we have here, move this to the side for just one moment, is the 52 card pickup challenge. And on this one, we needed to save $8. So there is 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so we now have a total of $270 inside of this cash envelope. And again, this will be verified at the end of the month. The next savings challenge that we have here is Save-opoly, and on Save-opoly, we landed on the water company, and so I needed to save $35. So there's 20, 30, and 35. These two challenges that I am doing today, the 52 card pickup challenge and the Save-opoly, those ones are from an Etsy shop owner called oh my gosh, Snow, okay, let me try this again. Snow Stamper Budgeting. For some reason, I always want to say Snow Stomper, but it's not Stomper, it's Snow Stamping, oh gosh, see, I can't even say it right. Snow Stamper Budgeting. And her name is Winter. So she has some really great cash envelopes in her shop. So check her shop out if you haven't yet already. So let me see how much I should have in here. I just put 35. So I should have a total inside my cash envelope of $723. So thank you, Winter, for making those, because I see there are a lot of people that use those challenges to save with. So awesome. All right, so bringing these back over, give me just a moment. We have saved the change, and so we had $1.05 that we were saving. So there's 75, 80, 90, and $1, and then the 5 cents and pennies. So let me go ahead and put this change over here into my counter change tray. Put them in the right little slots. I'm so close to rolling pennies. My gosh, I'm only, let's see, I think all I need is 2 cents. I couldn't come up with 2 cents, seriously? That's pretty sad. All right, so 2 cents for pennies is all that I need to roll. And then for the dime, same thing. I only need 3 dimes in order to roll a dime roll. My goodness. All right, and then here are my quarters and here are my nickels. So next week, I don't care if I have to ask my husband, I don't know. Somehow I'm going to tell my husband, check your pockets. We need change. So, but yeah, anyway, that is our Save the Change challenge. So close, but yet so far. Another week has gone by where I don't get to roll another coin roll yet. All right, so, all right, there's that image. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the bills and then a little bag of coins. All right, there we go. All right, so that is $1.05 with Save the Change. Next challenge that I have here, I have the Zero Out challenge. And on this one, I scheduled $6.88 from my checking account. And it's being transferred automatically today into my savings account. So I am going to go ahead and color that in because I have already scheduled that challenge on Monday to take place for today. Makes it so much easier. Instead of me having to go in there several times into my account, I just go in on Monday to see how much I need to save, and I just go ahead and schedule it at that time. So perfect. All right, so that's $6.88. I'm gonna go ahead and color in this little image right here as well. All right, $6.88 for Zero Out. All right, so now we are on our weekly breakdown totals, breaking down all of the challenges that we've done for this week. So just a refresher for the summer savings board game, we saved $40 this week, the 52-week savings challenge, because we're on week 32. We needed to save $32. Roll the dice. I rolled a 1 and a 4, so that's $5. Bunco was $18. Dominoes was $26. The 52 card pickup was $8. Save-opoly was $35. Save the Change was $1.05, and Zero Out was $6.88. So after adding all of those totals up, that gives me my grand total of $171.93 for week 2 of August. Now that I have my total down here for week 2, now what I do is I carry this total over to this tracker. This is the weekly totals tracker, where I put that total right here, $171.93. Once I fill in all of the weeks, which we have 5 weeks for the month of August, what I'll do is I'll add all of those 5 weeks up, and that will give me my grand total of how much I saved for the entire month of August. Once I have my total down here for how much I saved for the entire month of August, then I will carry that total over to this tracker, and I will put that total here in the August image. Once I have every single month filled in, complete, then at the very end of December, then what I'll do once again is I will add all of those totals up, and then that will give me my grand total of how much I saved for the entire year of 2022. So anyways, everybody, that is it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's cash stuffing. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way, whenever I upload a video to this channel, then you'll be given a notification of whenever that happens. Also, if you see any of the challenges that you may be interested in today and you would like to save along with me, head on over to my Etsy shop, because not only do I have all of these savings challenges, but I have close to 200 other savings challenges that you can choose from. If you're somebody that has purchased something from my Etsy shop in the past and you haven't yet had the chance to do so, please take the time to leave a review, leave your feedback on what you think about the challenges. That way, if anybody goes to my Etsy shop to possibly purchase a challenge or two, then they will be able to read your review, and that will help them in deciding whether or not they want to purchase that challenge or from my Etsy shop in general. So anyways, everybody, thank you so much for being here all the way to the end. I appreciate you guys being a part of my my little saving challenge journey. It has been a really fun journey this year doing this, so I hope that you guys have been enjoying it just as much as I have, just by watching. And maybe, you know, if you are somebody that's been saving along with me, then that has been awesome. I've been loving the conversations that I've been having away from YouTube, so thank you so much. So anyways, everybody, that is it for the day and for the weekend. I hope that you guys do have a nice weekend ahead. Please stay cool out there. Please stay safe. And until I come back on Monday, I'll be seeing you guys in the comments or in the DMs. Have a good one. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.